So hi guys, so we are having a test drive on Polestar 2 today. I was aiming at when I was buying my Model Y. I had Polestar 2 and Polestar 3 in my list. So unfortunately, Polestar 3 is not in Australian market yet. But this video is all about, I'm driving Model Y, and I had previously drove a Model 3 videos as well. So you can see the links over here. This video is all about comparing Polestar 2. How do you feel? What is the difference? You as a driver or as an owner, what is the difference you feel when you drive a Tesla vehicle and a Polestar 2? So that's all. It's not about going into detail into a configuration or anything like that, but the feeling of driving two leading electric cars, EV cars in Australia. So that's what we are going for. Let's go to the video. Okay. So the first thing I observed is a matte finish logo. It's beautiful, and it's very fitting to the car. It looks very big, like a looks very big car when compared to Model 3. And I like these the grills in the front end camera. So you got the camera all around 360, but I heard 360 cameras are extras, like you had to pay for like $3,000+ to buy it, but as a built-in you got sensors. And another thing is what I like is if you can see the mirrors, it's not like Telstar, it's a full width used the frameless mirror. So that very different mirror when compared to Tesla. It's an extra add-on. And if you can see the like how to open the door, it's a bit different to Tesla. You just click on it, so it's opens, then open it. So for locking again, if you press here it locks, and if you touch here it will open the door. And this is a charging socket. So if you just like the petrol cars, if you just click on it or push on it, it will open and that's a charging socket. You got that supercharger option. And storage wise, I think it's pretty close to or a little low when compared to Tesla. We got this, just like Tesla, we got this inside storage area and extra storage area, and side storage it's a little bit less. And an extra thing not in Tesla's is this division. You can keep one luggage here and another one behind, but I don't actually think Polestar actually go regarding luggage or luggage space. I don't think it's any better than Tesla. And another thing is they had an option for keeping the ski. So that's here. So you can, if you are a ski person, you can keep it here, and you got that long space you can keep the ski through that. Yeah. Overall, the car looks much bigger to Model 3, and width wise, I'm not sure whether it's a feeling, but yes, it's a little bit big when compared to Model 3. It's like a sedan, like a little bit bigger sedan car. Got the sunroof all the way, but not as big as Model Y, but when compared to Model 3, yes, of course you have it. I think it's a pretty good range. At 80% battery level you get 360, so during 100% I think it's 450-460 kilometer range you'll get, and it's pretty accurate range. So that's another bonus. And another handy thing when compared to Tesla is you got this speedometer and you got a second monitor. It's not like just the computer or the screen, but you got an extra monitor which you can see the speed and speed limit and other other things on the extra monitor. But when compared to the screen on Tesla Model Y or Tesla models, it's not that good. I don't think it's just a normal iPad, and I don't think it's anything special. And yeah, when compared to Tesla, we got the gears in the middle, and we got all the options here. See, we got all the options here. And what I observed is during drive, you can even reversing, you can see a clear video in the screen. And drive assist, charging options, and usually they are advising to keep it between 80 to 100%. Yeah. And it's called Google Assistant apps and things like that. So it's pretty good in that sense. But I think regarding technology and screen, it's not that when compared to Tesla, it's not that good. And comfort wise, I don't think it's not that comforting as well. And it's actually a better packaged model or upgraded model. So the normal the standard model is not that good, because see, they have upgraded these speakers and speakers and all. And another thing, maybe some are interested, is the interior. The whole interior is made of vegan material. So if anyone interested in that sense, yes, it's of course it's not an animal product or something. It's a vegan friendly material. For starting the car, we just need to press the brake and change the gear to D. So let's go. The first thing I observed is the smoothness of the drive. It's very smooth when compared to Tesla. But regarding the acceleration and all, I think it's not that better. And felt it's a bit more like a rough car. So this is if you can see that when compared to Tesla, it's got pretty good imaging. So you can clearly show it's a 3D image. The compartments and storage spaces, it's uncomparably bad, I think. So if you we got the mobile charging stations as in Tesla here, the wireless chargers, and the vents and AC vents and other speaker system. And to be honest, I feel it's a little bit under when compared to Tesla. It's uncomparably low. And if you see the storage here, it's all it's not premium type of any storage. It looks like a very old car when compared here. So if you can see the panoramic roof, sunroof, it's not bad. It's not bad, but again, you may not be able to compare with Tesla, I think. Let's just compare the frunk, how the frunk works for the Polestar 2. So that's the opening latch. So if you just lift that, it opens. We'll have a look. Can you just open, Jay? So there is a latch here. So there is a latch here. So that's a storage. Storage looks very similar to Tesla. And they got a repair kit. As you know, EV vehicles not usually have a spare tire, so they have a repair kit. It comes part of. It's come with with the car as a standard item, and it's got some liquid and things like that too. If you just fill the tire, it automatically repairs by itself. One of the biggest drawback I have observed with Polestar 2 is the leg space in the back side. Front side is fine, you can see that it's plenty, but back side it's very tight and it's very hard to sit in there. You can see the air con vents in the back side. It does look odd. So they said a 5-year roadside assistance will come with the car, but when compared that to a Tesla, it will be a lifetime for Tesla. So guys, this video is all about an experience, sharing how you feel when you drive a Tesla Model 3 or Model Y and a Polestar 2. So hope you got some idea how it differs, what is the bonus, what is the drawbacks. If you like the video, please like, subscribe, and comment on my channel. If you are keen, I put another video for Model 3 test drive over here, and has a Model Y test drive video over here.